A day in Gaza. Stories of resilience and hope amidst conflict. Beyond the headlines, beyond the noise, there are stories that the world needs to see. Stories of resilience, of hope, of life in a place where survival itself is an act of courage. This is Gaza, and these are the stories of its people. Meet Amal. She's only 10 years old, but every morning she walks through streets lined with rubble and shattered dreams just to get to school. In her heart, she carries a dream of becoming a doctor, a dream of healing the wounds that surround her. Amal knows that education is more than just learning. It's her way out, her way to heal, not just herself, but her entire community. This is the Al-Masri family. Like families everywhere, they gather to share meals, to laugh, to tell stories. But here in Gaza, each meal is more than just sustenance. It's a moment of unity, a moment of holding on to hope, despite the world crumbling around them. In the face of uncertainty, the Amal-Masri family finds strength in togetherness, knowing that love is their greatest weapon against despair. Youssef is an artist, a dreamer. In a land where destruction is a daily reality, he chooses to create beauty. With rubble as his canvas, Youssef sculpts his pain into art, each piece a testament to the resilience of his people. Through his art, Youssef sends a message to the world. We are still here. We still dream. We still create. And this is Mahmoud, a farmer like his father and his father before him. For generations, his family has tilled this land, turning soil into sustenance. Even now, amidst the uncertainty, Mahmoud continues to cultivate his fields, a quiet act of defiance, a reminder that life persists. In every seed he plants, Mahmoud sows a piece of his heritage, a piece of his hope, a piece of his unbreakable connection to this land, Palestine. A land of breathtaking beauty, rich in history and culture. Here, the past and present blend into a tapestry of resilience. But behind every sunset, behind every ancient wall, there are stories of struggle and a people who refuse to be defined by conflict. This is what's at stake. A land full of life, full of history, full of people who dream of peace. Despite the struggles, the pain, the conflict, the people of Gaza continue to live. They continue to love, to dream, to build a future out of the ashes of their past. These are their story. Stories of resilience, stories of hope, stories that need to be heard. Share their stories. Let the world see the resilience of Gaza. Together, we can bring hope to a place that needs it most. If these stories moved you, share this video. Let the world see the real Gaza, the Gaza that lives, loves, and hopes.